this is your Bandhani Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB tutorial. So in previous session we have discussed question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 2.5, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss next further question of same exercise. Okay, so let's start. So question number 6 is write the following cubes in their expanded form. Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ क्यूब्स दे रखे हैं, मीन्स उन एक्सप्रेशन का क्यूब निकालना है, ठीक है, और उन क्यूब्स को उनकी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखना है, ठीक है। क्यूब की बात हो रही है, ठीक है, क्यूब की बात हो रही है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर हमें आइडेंटिटी क्यूब्स वाली यूज करनी है। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 2x + 1 होल क्यूब. Okay, so here there are two terms. It means this is the cube of binomial and there is a identity for this, that is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this identity, and in this form the question you have given. Okay, and you also have to write the expanded form of this part. So why using this identity, we have to write its expanded form. Okay, so on comparing these two, we are getting from here a is what, 2x and b as 1. Okay, so in this identity we have to put these value of a, b, so that we can get its expanded form. Okay, so the main question, that is 2x plus 1 whole cube, that will be equals to a cube means 2x whole cube plus b cube means 1 cube plus 3 into a is what, 2x, and b is 1, in bracket a plus b means 2x plus 1. Okay, now solve it. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, the cube of 2 is what, 8, and x raised to power 3 means x cube plus cube of 1 same as 1. Okay, plus 3 2s are 6 into 1, 6x, and in bracket 2x plus 1. Okay, now 8x cube as it is plus 1 as it is plus 6 2s are, we have to write its expanded form, means we have to write in each term. So here we have to remove this bracket. So 6x into 2x will be 12, 6 2s are 12, x into x is what, x square. 6x into this 1 means 6x. Okay, now you can see here each term is different. Okay, means these all are unlike terms, so we have to leave it as, so we have to leave it as it is. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this cube. Okay, so or you can write it in decreasing power of their power. So 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, so this way we have to find the cube of this expression using this identity. Now come to the second part, that is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Here also we have to find the cube of the given expression. As we can see, there are two terms, 2a and minus 3b. Okay, so it is binomial cube 3. So there is identity, that is x, here the sign is minus. Okay, so directly we have an identity for this minus sign, means x minus y whole cube, that is equals to x cube. Here the terms involving variable a, b, so we are using identity as x, y. Okay, so x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube. Okay, minus 3xy, and in bracket x minus y. Okay, so on comparing these two, we are getting x as 2a, okay, and y as 3b. Okay, so we have to put in this expanded form of this identity so that we can find its expanded form. Okay, so 2a minus 3b whole cube is what, x cube means 2a whole cube minus y cube means 3v whole cube minus 3 into x into y means 3 into 2a into 3b. Okay, and in bracket x minus y, that is 2a minus 3v. Okay, now solve. 2 cube of 2 is 8, so 8a cube. Okay, minus cube of 3 means 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, and cube of b cube. Okay, now minus 3 2 ja 6, 3 ja 18, so 18 a into b ab, in bracket 2a minus 3b. Okay, now we have to write its expanded form, so we have to remove this bracket. So 8a cube minus 27b cube minus into 18 into 2 36, a into a square, and this b as it is. Okay, if you open this bracket, so you multiply this outer quantity to the inner quantities. Okay, so minus 18 ab into this 2 is minus 36 a square b. Okay, now minus 18 ab into this minus 3b, so minus into minus will be plus, and 18 3 ja 54, a into b is what? b square. Okay, so our expanded form, that is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square is the expanded form of this cube. Now third part is 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, here also there are two terms, it's a binomial cube. Okay, so there is identity, that is number 6. Okay, so using identity, which one? 6th, that is a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. Okay, so on comparing these two, we are getting a as 3 upon 2x, okay, and b as 1. Okay, so we have to find its expanded form, so that is why we have to use these values. Okay, here, so 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube equals to a cube means 3 upon 2x whole cube plus b cube means 1 cube plus 3 into a is what? 3 upon 2x into b, that is 1, plus 3 into a square, 1 square. Okay, 3 into a square means 3 upon 2 a 3 upon 2 x whole square into b is 1. Okay, now on solving, cube of 3 is 27 and cube of 2 is 8. Okay, and x cube plus cube of 1 is 1. Okay, plus square of 1 and 3 3s are 9 upon this 2x. Okay, now plus, see here, 3 square of 3 9, and the numerator, that is 3, 9 3s are 27. Okay, and square of this 2 means 4 into 1 4. Okay, and square of x means x square. Okay, so these all are unlike terms, so this is the expanded form of this cube. Now last part, that is fourth part of this question, is x minus 2 upon 3y whole cube. Okay, so here is cube and there are two terms and negative sign between, so there is identity that will hold negative sign and power 3, that is identity number 7. So using identity number 7, that is a minus b whole cube is what? A cube plus, sorry, minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so on comparing these two, we are getting a as x and v as 2 upon 3 y. Okay, so we have to write x minus 2 upon 3 y cube, to which we have to write expanded form using this identity. So a cube means x cube minus b cube means 2 upon 3 y whole cube. Okay, minus 3 into a is what? X, into b is what? 2 upon 3 y, in bracket x minus 2 upon 3 y. Okay, so x cube will be as it is, minus cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 3 is 27, so 8 upon 27 y cube. Okay, minus, see here 3 is common in numerator and denominator, so these will be cancelled out. So we are left with here 2x y in bracket x minus 2 upon 3 y. Okay, now we have to remove this bracket so that we can find its final expanded form. So x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube as it is. Now minus 2xy into this x means minus 2x square y. Okay, 2 into x, x square, and this y. Now minus 2xy into minus 2 upon 3y. So minus into minus will be plus. Okay, and 2 into this 2, 4 upon this 3. X into by means x y square. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this cube. Now question number 7th is evaluate the following using suitable identities. Okay, so इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ क्यूब्स दे रखे हैं वैल्यूज़ के, उनको आपको आइडेंटिटी का यूज़ करते हुए उनकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ इट, दैट इज 99 होल क्यूब. Directly we can find its cube by multiplying it 3 times. Okay, but we have to use here the identity. Okay, so for using identity, first we have to make it in terms of identity. So we can write this 99 as 100 minus 1 whole cube. 99 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 100 minus 1. Okay, now you can see a minus b whole cube. There is identity that is fitting here. Okay, so using identity number 7th, that is what? A minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so on comparing these two, we are getting a is 100 and b is as 1. Okay, so now we will put these values here. So 99 whole cube, that is equals to 100 minus 1 whole cube, and that is equals to a cube means 100 cube minus cube of 1 minus 3 into 100 into 1. A की वैल्यू क्या है? 100 है और B की वैल्यू 1. So we are putting same and 100 minus 1. Okay, so now solve it. Cube of 100 means there are 2 zeros and cube. So you have to write this 2 zeros 3 times. 2, 2, 2. So there will be 6 0 after 1. Okay, and minus cube of 1 as minus. Okay, minus 3 into 100 300 and 100 minus 1 is what? 99. Okay, so 10 lakh minus 1 will be 9,99,999. Okay, minus this product, that is 29,700. Okay, so after subtracting this we will get 9 minus 0 will be 9, 9 minus 0 will be 9, 9 minus this 7 will be 2, and 9 minus this 9 will be 0, and 9 minus this 2 7, and this 9 as it is. Okay, so 9,70,299, this is the answer. ओके तो देखिए यहाँ पर 99 का क्यूब निकालना था, डायरेक्टली हमें मल्टीप्लाई करके क्यूब नहीं निकालना है, हमें यूजिंग सुटेबल प्रॉपर्टी निकालना है, मीन्स सुटेबल आइडेंटिटी का यूज़ करते हुए। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या आप देख रहे हैं कि 1 टर्म की पावर क्यूब है, तो ऐसी हमारे पास कोई भी आइडेंटिटी नहीं है जिसमें एक टर्म को लेकर हो, या तो बाइनोमियल के लिए या फिर ट्राइनोमियल के लिए, जो भी 8 स्टैंडर्ड आइडेंटिटीज वी हैव learned. Okay, so first we have to make out this 99 as 2 terms. Okay, तो हम 99 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 100 minus 1. Okay, so now this is in an identity form, that is a minus b whole cube. Okay, same we have using here. So on comparing these two, we are getting a as 100 and b as 1. So we have to put these value in the given identity. Okay, so after putting these value, we are getting this answer. So 9,70,299 is the cube of 99. Okay, now second part is 102 whole cube. Okay, so this is also one term. Okay, so we have to convert in at least 2 terms. So 102 we can write as 100 plus 2. Okay, whole cube. Now this is an identity form, that is identity number 6. Okay, so using identity 6, that is a plus b whole cube, so it is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so on comparing, we are getting here the value of a as 100 and value of b as 2. Okay, so now we have to put these value in the expanded form of this identity so that we can get final answer. So 102 cube is what, 100 plus 2 whole cube. Okay, that is equals to a cube means 100 cube plus b cube means 2 cube plus 3a square means 100 square into b, that is 2. Okay, plus 3 into 100 plus into 2 square. Okay, now solve it. 100 cube means there will be how much zero, how many zero, 6 0 after 1. Okay, and cube of 2 is 8, and square of 100 means there will be 4 0 after 1 into 2. Okay, plus 3 into 100 into 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 10 lakh plus this 8 plus 3 2s are 6 4 0 plus 3 4s are 1200. Okay, so all are the positive terms, so we have to add up them. So first digit will be 8, and second digit will be 0, and third digit will be 2, and fourth digit will be 1 from right hand side. Okay, and fifth digit will be 6. Okay, now 0 and 1. This is the sum of these 4 terms. Okay, so we are getting here the cube of 102 as 10,61,208. Okay, now third part is 999 whole cube. Okay, so first we have to make it in binomial, so we can write it as 1000 minus 2. 1000 में से आप 2 को माइनस करेंगे, क्या आएगा, 998 whole cube. Okay, so that is in the identity number 7th form. Okay, so using identity that is a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so on comparing, we are getting here A as 1000, B as 2. Okay, so on putting, we are getting 998 cube, that we can write 1000 minus 2 whole cube, and that will equals to A cube means 1000 cube minus B cube means 2 cube minus 3 into A means 1000 into B, that is 2, and A minus B, so 1000 minus 2. Okay, so on solving, these 3 times. Okay, minus 8 minus 3 to just 6,000, and this one is 998. Okay, so minus 8 minus, there will be 3 0, so 6 8 ja 48, 4 carry 6 9 ja 54, 54 plus 4 58, 5 carry 6 9 ja 54, and 54 plus 5 59. Okay, minus okay, so if we do the number that we have to subtract, 8008895. Okay, so 10 minus 8 will be 2, here 9, here 9, here 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 9 0, and 9 minus 5 4, and here 9 and here 9. So answer will be 994011992. This is the answer of cube of 998. Okay, so as you can see here, by using identity, it is little bit easy to compute the cube of a big number. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate the cube of numbers. So that's all for today's session, in which we have discussed question number 6 and question number 8. If you have any query, doubt related to today's session, please ask me on comment section. Okay, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss next more questions of the same exercise. Okay, till then keep watching my channel. Thank you.